Hi, I'm Michaela, and today I'm going to be showing you a method for roasting carrots. So roasting is a dry heat cooking method, and it's really good to use with hearty vegetables such as carrots or potatoes. A lot of people like to roast their carrots along with turnips and onions and put it with their meat or poultry. Roasting helps to bring out the natural sweetness of the vegetable and helps preserve the nutrients, which is really popular. So we're going to start with our carrots. And the first thing you want to do is wash your carrots. I have a clean bowl of water here, and you can use a little scrubby to wash them. Washing is really important because carrots come from the tuber and root family of vegetables, and that means they grow in the ground. So washing helps to get all the dirt off. All right. Now next I have my vegetable peeler here, and what we're going to do is peel the skin off the carrots. And again, that helps to kind of get all the dirt off. And then once you do that, you can discard of these. And we'll do the same thing with the other carrot. Now that all our skin's peeled off, we're going to go ahead and slice the carrot. For roasting, slicing your carrot can go a few different ways. It kind of depends on what your vegetable is going to call for. So I'm going to show you two different methods. For the first method, we're going to just do nice little slices. Well, actually, first I'm going to cut off the end. So you want to cut off this end and the other end. And you can discard of those. Now we're going to go in and cut this way. And these are probably about 1/2 inch thick. And it's really important to make sure that all your pieces, when you cut them, are uniform size. That way, when you're cooking them, it will kind of help to cook evenly. If you have one piece that's too big or one piece that's too small, the smaller piece, of course, is going to cook a lot faster, and that helps to promote uneven cooking. So as you can see, they're all about 1/2 inch thick. All right. And then another method I'm going to show you. Again, we're going to cut off the ends. And first I like to start with cutting my carrot in half. And then cutting it vertically down the middle. And this way you can lay it flat. And so we'll do the same thing over here. And if they're not really the same size here, I think I'm going to cut these in half again. And it's kind of up to you, kind of eyeball it and see that this one maybe is a little bigger than the other, so we'll give that a little cut in half. And that way they look all about the same size, and that should help for easier roasting. And one thing about carrots is that they're really rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K, and they have a lot of potassium and dietary fiber, so really, really good for you. Now what we're going to do is add our carrots to the bowl. And you can add about 2 tablespoons of oil. About 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. And then 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And you can go ahead and mix those all together. All right. And then I have my baking sheet here. And because I already added oil to this, I don't need to go ahead and spray the foil. So we're gonna go ahead and put that here. And using foil actually helps for easier cleanup. You don't have to clean the pan or anything like that when you're done with it. You just throw out the foil. And there you go. And so I preheated my oven to 400 degrees. So we can go ahead and pop these in there. I have a nice finished product in here. And as you can see, when you take the carrots out, they kind of have a nice golden brown color to them. And if you were to poke them with a fork, they have a very tender texture. It goes right through, which is a lot easier than the hard carrot. Usually it can roast about 20 minutes. Again, it depends on the size that you cut your carrots. And you can roast the time to your liking. So thank you so much.